Hello, dear friends. This is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. And also write your feedback in the comments if this video helped you, or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you how to close your TikTok account and make it private. To do this, you need to go into the app and open your profile. Then you click on the three bars, and here you select Settings and Privacy. And then here you select Privacy. And then you click here. And here you select Private Account. You click on that, and click on Switch. And once we select this option, all of our videos will be locked from the public, and only those who have been granted access will be able to watch them. As you can see, this is a very simple and quick way. Done. Nothing complicated. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to the channel, and also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. Bye bye. See you later.